let's just unpack indaba nje ey'ncane that are happening in South Africa. Yabona, sometimes you like, hey, fame is so nice. Lalela, fame is actually not nice. In some cases, you'll be like, why indumile? Kuzongisiza ngani life in? People are dragging you there on Twitter, TikTok, everywhere. Nala ku-YouTube. Ibuhlungu kabi nje impilo manje ka-Sign Bush. You're like, oh my gosh, she's so young. She's what, 23, 24? She's so young, or Grace Mondlane. Oh my gosh, she has money, she's doing well. Wake waduma u-Sign Bush yakhumbula last year and that other year 2024 and 2023 uhlanya sometimes axabane ne some guy who used to be a driver, right? They fought in Bloemfontein. Washaya this guy. Like, you understand the guys, things like that. Like the person that you become. Look, so celebrate. Guys, right now, unenkinga futhi against Sign Bush. Angithi akhumbule alaboka story. Kuthiwa bathengisa ingane eRussia benzani. That whole brand that they got, which was a lie in the end. They lost, and Sima lost 2.5. Her life basically was there. Obusima wasn't really big on YouTube. Into eqale nje manje. Bathathela TikTok yakhe, people reported it. There was no support there. From your fans, basically, I'm gonna put it that way. I'm just like, some things, guys, really, they are unnecessary. So she lost to get a lot of followers on TikTok, and then she started another one. She was calling people, please guys come, I know Gucci in Sakwatile. Like, honestly, guys, but please come and join me in my new TikTok, right? She opened another TikTok. She's just lost this again, another one. I'm just like, I'm done. Why? This is why Yabona at times, not even at times, guys, some of us, we've seen life. When you're just like, no, I'm 25, I'm happening, I'm hip. And happening. No, because, like, calm down. Just do izinto ungenzela abantu. Manje, inomrolongo, ban. Now, they saying that, your person, wang, she stinks now. And I'm even saying, labo lezinto zeni, konje basibizana, BBL. Kuba vele kuthiwa iyanuka leya into, guys. Kanti bathi ayikho right. Hey. And ngifuna ukuzenza lezi zinto. At 23, 24, suwenze lezo zinto. By the time you're 40, you're actually done with life. I'm just like, no, guys, crazy things like that. Scholars use it. We have to talk about in life. They're not right. Eh? Now, this week, manje, lose TikTok, but if it's ngapha uyanuka. Yabona nje kazi ngeke ukwazi ukuphila impilo yakho like that. Fine, ufuna ukuduma. Some people get fame gets to their heads to a point where they don't even know themselves. I'm like, calm down. Ifame yani izokusiza ngani? Buka manje bayamhleka futhi again. And nini mhlambe naye lo sho leyo nto bazombophisa futhi. Uyabona manje? That's why alleged. But sometimes I'm like, it's not even alleged. Take on what's going around. Ngapha uDJ izinto nayo inenkinga. Almost 2 weeks now. I'm so tired actually of that story. I did it once. I'm so exhausted. Oh my gosh, I'm just like ngikhathele. Imishado yabantu. People are like, ngabe uthulile noSomizi is like, hamba kulo mshado. Like wena wawushiyo wakho. You know? Or bakushiya unjani. Waleyo nto. Guys, people are just in another level. I'm just like, people must calm down. Yebo, we want this rush life esheshayo. But sometimes it just nje hlala ungaziwa nokuthi ukhona la emhlabeni. Sikhumbula ukuthi konje kwakhona uSign Bush. DJ Zinhle manje isola ngento eningi. I don't know why was she going live explaining herself to us. Like, who cares, bruh? I don't. For example, and I did explain into about DJ Zinhle and how I feel about people's marriages. Awushadile. then keep quiet. It's just my thing when they said to Sima, Fakazane to Inja, Matapongs, Fakaza like Umazilap now for Tukuti is actually a dog. He's not a dog, the person is a human being, but I mean, you know what she meant about him being a dog, the cheating. Food is not just one girl, it's a few girls. Bra, we need to talk about and leave them. Yebo sifuna gossip. I started telling the DJs into winning gossip. Skijimisa yona, but sometimes can you just come down with people's dabas? It becomes a lot in their families. Akusekho mnandi endlini. I mean, you know, buka manje toka Metapongs nayo sisters lo DJ Zinhle has escalated. Now it's in another level. Ifakwa matswayi, ifakwa ngapha nangapha. People are not telling the same thing now because we actually don't even know the story. I mean, but me, I am sure, guys, please. That's a decision. It's not ours.